This is the STI GP6 that I'm now going to disassemble. First, you ensure the gun is safe, and you take the magazine out, and ensure there's no rounds in the chamber. After that, you can release the tension, and from there on, you will pull the trigger guard forwards towards the end of the barrel. It comes out like this. Then you simply pull the slide back and lift it, and the frame comes out, the recoil spring comes out, and then the barrel comes out like this. There you have it. To assemble it again, you simply put the barrel back in. You can ensure it's the right way by checking. By checking that there's text, you can read the caliber and the serial from the ejection port. After that, you simply put the recoil spring back in, and you put the recoil spring in its little hole there, and you push the slide the frame as far as you can, and the weapon falls into its place. After that, you put the trigger guard back in, and this is an important thing to remember, because otherwise, when you cock the weapon, the slide will fall off. It will fly off if you forget to put the trigger guard in, because it's not pretty.